Welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain the Firestone app review to see with what using. So let's quickly dive into it. My Firestone app makes car maintenance easier by letting you schedule appointment, track car service history, and access exclusive deals from your phone. It's convenient for keeping your vehicle organized and saving times at Firestone Center. However, some users report issues with appointment confirmation, login glitches, and discounts not always synchronized in store. So in conclusion, the app still wants using with what's using with its handy app and Firestone customer service. But if reliability is your concern, you have to be ensured for the improvement. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.